Hey guys, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will find the multiples of 13. So, let's start. We know that the number of multiples of any number is infinite. So, we will find only the first 10 multiples of 13. Let us first multiply with 1 and that gives us 13. If we multiply 13 with 2, we get 26. Multiplication of 13 and 3 gives us 39. Multiplication of 13 and 4 gives us 52. Multiplication of 13 and 5 gives us 65. If we multiply 13 with 6, we get 78. If we multiply 13 with 7, we get 91. Multiplication of 13 and 8 gives us 104. Multiplication of 13 and 9 gives us 117. If we multiply 13 with 10, we get 130. So here are the first 10 multiples of 13, which are 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, 78, 91, 104, 117 and 130. Following the same way, you can find more multiples of 13 also. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. If you find it useful, leave your comment in the comment box.